Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pointer Sister here, and I have a guest, Catherine. Today we're making some slime. Yeah. Okay, we need a bowl.
Yeah. I'll go get that. You set up the supplies or tell them what we're making it.
So we're just making some simple slime. We've got detergent, glue. So we each get a bottle of glue. We do not have color dye because the tide is blue and we just want blue fine. And sometimes it can actually turn out pretty clear if we add none, like where we flood the bowl with detergent, which is exactly what we're not going to be doing.
So I thought it'd be cool. We're just gonna use it
So y'all can see. Okay, who's going to go first?
I'll go first.
Actually, let's pull the sticker off first.
That's gonna take forever.
Yeah, it's gonna take forever, so we're just gonna make it where y'all can see. So we're gonna start with detergent.
Also, if y'all are listening and stuff like that, just go follow Catherine Corey. Almost fell right here. Probably see that. Or I might make another channel.
Okay, so let's fill it up to like right maybe there.
Okay.
Just a few more.
What? No. Not that much, I don't think. Yeah, we're not gonna use so much glue that it's like that. So I think that's good.
Maybe just a tad bit.
Okay, yeah. I think that's good.
Yeah, that's definitely good. Okay.
And we can
So
also.
she's going first.
Do you want to add like
glitter or beads or something?
Yeah.
Do you have like glitter?
I think. Can add beads.
Whoa. Do you have glitter?
Oh yes, I do. Okay, so
Sister problems.
long story short, this actually is a good little, see like how much glitter it is? Just scrape it and it comes straight off.
I think
mine.
that's good.
No. Just,
Probably should have added that later. We have to do it there.
well, who cares? That looks pretty.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour her.
Oh my gosh, now it's everywhere on my hair. Okay.
Pour your glue in there.
Oh, it's so pretty. Okay.
Since I'm not your mama, pour your glue in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my right measurements.
Okay. I think that's good. Okay, that's good. That's
No,
good.
you have to add the whole thing.
Oh no. We'll use it later.
I'm gonna use this whole thing.
Sure. I don't want to use the whole thing just because.
Stick your hands in there.
Oh, we should put beads in it.
Just stick your hands in there.
Okay. We'll do that.
Simple as pie.
No, I don't think it's really that simple, but.
Okay. So can we use this towel for that? Can we use this towel?
Sure. No, sure. Holy cow, that's a lot of slime.
Yeah, take it out on the counter.
Okay, we need to get like paper towel or something. Go get a paper towel.
What's wrong with this?
Just go get it so we can put it under. Put it.
Wait, put your
No. Like put a paper towel or like toilet paper under so we can.
No, it'll stick to the toilet paper.
Oh, those are
Nobody's in here. except
No.
Maybe in there.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what's in there?
Nothing. Okay.
What's in there?
It's just a closet. Oh my gosh, it's super messy.
What's in there? You sound like a dog.
Really? No, there's no dog there.
Okay. So I'm gonna add a little. No, I don't need to add more detergent.
No more laundry detergent.
One last thing. Before y'all go, drink the rest of your water.
Yeah, it's
on over here.
Look at this, it's so cool. I like it.
Oh yeah, it's like fluffy slime. Okay. Okay, guys, so I've got my glue.
Don't use it all though. So, look, it's actually turning out pretty good.
I still have a lot. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Stop pouring.
Yeah, I know. Look how good this turned out.
I can't see the glitter.
Neither can I.
Oh,
Because it all fell out.
because I told you should have added it right here when I
Yeah, well,
added it.
but look how good it is. Like, we can add... Oh, remember that one we added nail polish to?
Yeah, that was the only way we could color it was nail polish. So
It works so good. Listen. Did you use all your glue? Or no?
almost.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This actually works really good. Oh, listen to it pop. And people say laundry detergent slime doesn't work very well. Don't listen. It like works really well. Look at that.
That's the only way I've almost ever. I made fluffy slime. But that's like the only way I make slime most of the time.
Yeah, same.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
To be honest, you guys, there is another way I make it, but I don't prefer it. I mean, yes, it's good, but no, it's like just a waste. The way I make it sometimes is,
See, this you barely
Yeah.
need any laundry detergent.
yeah, well, the way I do it sometimes is I use, let's see, what do I use? I use,
Contact solution?
no, yes, I use contact solution, but I also use baking soda, and it's basically just a waste of your stuff because, okay, listen,
Laundry
you guys.
detergent's one thing.
Yeah, and I don't know, it's just better doing it this way because, I mean, seriously, you
See,
guys,
yeah, all the glitter's falling out.
yeah. It's just better to do it this way because it actually is dependable and it lasts longer than the other type. Because the other type is just not. Okay, listen. It's just not. It's not nothing that you can. What is it?
What?
I don't know. It's nothing that you can really depend on because it gets so hard and you can't do anything with it.
I have no clue what we're talking about right now.
The other slime that I made, and it's so fluffy. Wait, I wonder if we add foaming soap, what would it do?
It would ruin it. I added soap in one of my other videos on my other channel. If y'all seen it, and remember when I did the slime ruin your slime challenge? So I added foaming soap to mine, and it just made it all oozy, and I completely ruined that slime. And it was a pretty good slime. Actually, it was an okay slime.
How much did you use, girl?
A lot.
Gosh. I mean, look how good. Like, the consistency on this is really good. Like, man,
At first, it's like horrible, but then when you need it a lot, I need it. I need it.
for nothing.
I
Well,
know.
for a YouTube video, but
Bro.
yeah.
Hopefully, it's not one of those videos.
Gosh.
It's like, hopefully, it's not one of those videos. So slow.
I
Are
did
you
it.
making the slimes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is there? Yes, there's glitter in this one. Hey, what's going
I
on?
found you.
Oh my god, the paint's coming off.
Oh my.
Oops.
Well, that's okay. When you don't notice that you're rubbing it way too much.
Oh, look, the paint's coming off.
Oh look, the paint's coming off to give it more color.
What the heck?
What is this?
Oh, that's you. That's you.
What? What'd she say? Dude, speaker.
Is something in there? Oh, what was I say?
It's like, what?
Well, of course you're hearing it too, so I mean, it'd be both of us.
Oh,
Hey, don't play with the door, okay?
The dog.
Yeah. Don't play with doors.
wants to someone get hurt. You
Oh.
don't do that.
Okay.
Okay. It's
She
okay.
didn't mean to.
She didn't mean to.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
we're all
good.
work playing,
Yeah.
okay?
How about that's how we hung up? Over there, huh?
What?
It's obviously, this is like really good. Here, let me show you. Let's show.
Mousetrap?
Now we're playing
There?
hide and seek. I don't want to
It's
do
super fluffy.
What's Mousetrap?
Mousetrap.
Yeah, it's kind of fluffy. See, look at mine. Mine's like,
Oh yeah, I'm not showing it here. Sorry, it's like not showing at all.
yeah, you go like this. Watch.
Well, mine's different. Mine's upgrades, I think. Oh no, I don't. They have the same type of foam. I just don't know why. Yours is just different than mine.
No, this is YouTube. I'm videoing off of YouTube.
Oh,
That's why you don't know what to do.
Well, okay,
Sorry, I didn't
but yeah, but it's simply one thing leads to another.
What? Are you kidding me? She just tipped over all those games.
It's not her fault, guys.
Yes, she just tipped over all those games in there.
it's okay.
I didn't mean to do that.
That's okay, I'll put it up. Come on.
Mia, you don't have to freak out, okay? Don't tell her you have to be nice.
I am being nice. I'm just telling
You're screaming.
Yeah, you're
Tell
like.
me the 3 things. Do it right now. Go.
I'm stupid. I watch the most TV, and I am a rat.
Good girl.
I am too.
Good girl, Audrey. Really good girl.
What? Slime?
Audrey, you didn't just.
Guys, don't just touch it right now.
Can I touch it, please?
Yeah, here.
Okay, so
Wait,
all,
what? She gets to feel it? Oh,
so all the little kids are still. Guys, stop squealing.
Thank you.
This is on YouTube, by the way. BTWs.
Okay, here.
BTWs, y'all are on YouTube.
Yeah.
Peace. I'm famous.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. No need to slap. Oh.
Okay, guys, this is our final product.
Yeah.
So, I think that's all for today. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe.